So when riding, I love listening to music when I'm riding. I have the music going through the helmet, not always through the speakers. It's my quiet time, if you will. And if you guys know me, I've been a huge advocate about the Freecom 4X I had this on my helmet. Mark had it on his helmet. My wife has it on her helmet. And the communication was flawless. About a mile range. Had it on my HJC helmet. Then Cardo did something. God bless those guys. So yes, Cardo went ahead and sent me their HJC 4X model, specifically for certain HJC model helmets. I'll leave a list of the helmets that this is compatible with in the description below, so please make sure to check out the description below. But they sent it to me to try out. So went ahead and decided to go ahead and record it. Record how the install goes and the look. It's not that hard at all. So let's get at it. So this is how it came. So let's open this up. The HJC 4X. So it goes on the bottom of the helmet and on the side, built in. I will show you guys when I install it on my helmet. Let's get this opened up. So this goes to the back of the helmet, and this goes into the slot that the HJC helmet has. Feels very good, just like the Freecom. We have our little baggie here. JBL's 40mm. Love these speakers. USB-C to USB-C for charging. Boom mic. A little baggie here. We have, if you have an HJC that's a full helmet, not a modular, this is a little mic, so it's always stationary. You don't have to worry about the boom. I have a modular, so I obviously will be using the boom mic. Screws and tool. Some of the felt pads, so that way you can fill in the crevice where the speakers go. I'll show you that, guys, that. 4 screws and an Allen key. Let's do this. Let's look at the manual. So just like my Freecom, hit both of these to turn on. Step 2 is that middle button for the Bluetooth. Okay, now that we're on, here we go. So the light means that it's on. I'm gonna hold this down until we get that. Now it's ready to be discovered. There it is. HJC. Let's connect that. And we are connected. Let's launch the app. Pair it. So you have a prompt that pops up. So I'm going to pair it. It's distracting to see the camera reflection. Welcome to the Cardo fam. Activate now. We are pairing. Name your unit. All right. So I'm going to name it my modular. Hit next. US. Next. You're all set to ride. And it actually gives you step-by-step how to install your unit. Let's go here. So it's a breakdown. It shows you everything you need to do right here, which is kind of cool. So I did this already. So we are going to remove everything. Let's unfeed the line here. Move that over. Unbuckle this. Move that over. right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the first cavity where that unit's going to go in. All right, we have the crown off, cheek pads are off, pieces, the back piece for the plate off. We know that the transmitter is going to go on the left side. So for my helmet, it's this little notch here. Pull down, pull up. This comes off. I'm going to place the speakers in. Obviously, the shortest cable is going to go closest to the transmitter, which is over here, right? So I'm going to place this speaker here, which I already have felt in there from having the Freecom. So I don't have to use none of the ones it came with, but it does have it. If you want to use it, if you want to go ahead and bring it out a little bit. They have the thin ones, so it sits in, or thicker ones, so you can actually bring them out farther out from the crevice. I'm going to keep mine the way I had it, because it worked great with my Freecom. Okay, there's a little crevice there. I'm going to use that. Here's the other speaker. Sorry for my head popping out, but okay. Same thing. I'm gonna feed that through that crevice there. And there we go. Keep that there. Let's bring the crown in. I'm not gonna pop it in yet, because just in case I need to access it. But there we go. Okay, I'm gonna place the mic. Make sure I'm not covering any of the holes or anything. Right around there. So the crown's down, speakers are in, mic is placed, 2 plugs are right here. All right, now let's put this in. So what I like to do is just lift this rubber seal up just so it grabs it. There we go. So got that there. Let's tighten this up. Get one in, going. There we go. Place another. Don't mucky knuckle this. Don't over tighten, just it's enough. Make sure it's secure. Just do the same thing, kind of run it underneath the rubber lip here. Same thing here. Let's put the other piece in, which is this beauty here. There we go. It just slides right down. Then we have the USB-C to charge it. Put this cord here. Okay, so when you're installing this, just make sure you sometimes have these little grommets in that your side cheek has to fall into. Make sure that the cable is on the outside of that, so that way you're not pinching it or trying to fight with it when you're reinstalling your cheek pads. So kind of kept mine out a little bit. The USB cord, I'm gonna have it tucked behind here, and I'm gonna plug in the mic in that. There we go. All plugged in. I'll tuck that there. Okay. Got that in. Here's the charger. Just pop the last part in here. And there we go. Just place Place it there. That's my charging port, so I just tucked that in there. There we go. So there it is. The HJC Cardo adapter. I'll leave in the description below which HJC models this fits on. But I just did a test right now, and this sounds really, really good. Love this. Did a quick sound check, and man, those JBLs are something else. So I have it all installed. Look at this. See if I can see it there. It's integrated to the helmet. Battery pack's right here. USB cable snug there to pull out to charge it up. Already tested this out. Oh, those JBLs. It is sweet. And again, it just has a very streamlined part of the helmet. Went ahead and tested out phone call, music, and it's working the way it's supposed to work. I love this thing. Love this thing. If you guys like the Cardo stuff, I'm a huge fan of their stuff. If you like the Cardo stuff, check out their website. Go to Cardo's website. And if you see something that you like, you might be able to go ahead and save a few bucks. Just make sure to use a promo code, Just Your Average Joe. Use that promo code. It might go ahead and save you a few bucks. But also look at the specs of this one. If you have an HJC, I believe they actually came out with one for Shoei, the Shoei line. I think they did. But I love my Cardo. The speakers sound very full. They have a really good bass to them. It doesn't sound thin. The comms work great. It integrates to my bike, my Road Glide, my 24 Road Glide perfectly. It just works. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of this, and it looks so good on my helmet. Yes, I'm looking down because I got my helmet laying here. It looks like a battlefield. All the love bugs all over it. I really recommend this. If you guys know me, I'm gonna tell you this right now, I do get contacted a lot. Not crazy a lot, but I do get contacted by companies, and I'm very picky about the companies I go ahead and showcase on here if one of the episodes is being sponsored. So I'm very picky. I don't say yes to everything. Cardo though, because I've already used it for 2 years, I love their stuff. And again, it's the same technology, same everything as the Freecom. So if you have an HJC and you want to integrate everything to the helmet, I strongly recommend this unit or any of their stuff. One of the ones I want to test out and actually have one day is the Pack Talk Pro. Ooh, that's the good stuff. But use the promo code, Just Your Average Joe. Check out their stuff. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm actually going to test out the battery on this to see if it's the same as my Freecom. And if it is, oh man, this is sweet. So that's my rant. That's my rant for the week. Leave a comment below. What do you guys use? What do you guys feel about it? I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up also. Find a purpose to ride. Find your purpose to ride. All right, until the next video. God bless. Peace.